Meaning of electronics.
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 Electronics. Electronics is a field of engineering and physics that deals with the study and application of electrons in motion, particularly in the design, development, and implementation of electronic devices and systems. Electronics includes a wide range of areas, such as digital electronics, analog electronics, power electronics, and telecommunications. The application of electronics has revolutionized various industries, including communication, entertainment, healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. It has enabled the development of advanced devices and systems, such as smartphones, computers, medical equipment, satellites, and robotics, that have greatly enhanced our quality of life and transformed the way we live, work, and communicate.